Okay. So cikgu rasa ada yang kena remove tadi. It's not because I remove you, no. It's because of due to the technical problem. So we are going to start, okay? I'll present now. Okay. Okay. You can see my slide, right? Boleh tengok slide saya kan? Okay. Okay. So, Assalamualaikum class. So today, okay, I hope everyone is doing great. Okay, so make sure you follow the SOP. Nowadays, starting from today, kids below 12 years old are not allowed to go out to the public place. Okay, so you stay safe at home. Duduk dekat rumah. Kalau nak main pun main kat depan-depan tu. Jangan bergaul sangat dengan orang lain. Jangan dekat-dekat dengan orang lain macam biasa. So follow the SOP. Okay, I hope saya harap lepas esok cuti hari Wesak, and then you have another Thursday and also Friday. After that we are going to have 2 weeks holiday. Hopefully after 2 weeks holiday we can go to school as usual. Okay, macam biasa. Hopefully doa banyak-banyak. Okay, so that we can go to school. Okay. So before we start, make sure you have your books with you and you have yourself there. Jangan ada kamera je ada kasih ada laptop aja but you are not there. Okay, you need to be there. Okay, in front of your laptop or your a phone. Okay, so that you can hear my voice and take part in our lesson today. Okay, so we are going to start with our new subtopic, okay, problem solving. Last week, we have learned how to create stories, okay. It is going to be a little bit similar with our lesson today. Last week, bila kita create stories, we are not allowed to ask questions, right? So today, in problem solving, you will be asked question by the stories, okay. You are going to be asked questions by the stories, okay. Jadi problem solving ni usually the question will be in word, dalam perkataan lah, okay, dalam bentuk cerita, okay. So what is actually problem solving, okay, and how are you going to solve this problem solving? There are 4 steps, okay, that you need to do when you are solving mathematics problem solving. Okay, the first step is okay, to understand the problem. How to understand the problem? You read the problem, you visualize, awak gambarkan, you think about it, you identify the information, what is given, what is information needed, what they ask you, what they need you to find, okay, and then you find the keyword and you restate the problem, okay, with your own words, okay. Sebenarnya yang ini, okay, understand ni, you are doing it without you really, awak buat tanpa awak sedar sebenarnya. Awak baca, awak keluarkan maklumat, itu maksudnya awak dah masuk dalam step understand. Okay, so the next step is plan. In planning, you need to choose a strategy. Okay, there are a lot of strategy that can be used in problem solving. Okay, later I will reveal what are the strategies that you can use. But in choosing the strategies, you need to choose the most suitable strategy for the problem. Kalau soalan tu nombornya besar, takkanlah awak nak choose strategy based on drawing. No, okay. Okay, jadi kalau nak pilih strategi tu pun kena pilih yang betul dan sesuai berdasarkan kepada soalan yang diberi. Okay, the next step is you do. Okay, it means that you need to solve the problem. How? Sentence ataupun kita gunakan bentuk lazim, normal form. Okay, and then you check. How to check? Okay, you need to ask yourself, does your solution make sense? Okay, is your solution reasonable, or can you solve it in any other way? In another way, for example, okay, does solution make sense? Kalau tambah, in addition, your answer must be bigger than your question, betul tak? So you check, betul tak your answer, the number is getting bigger. If subtraction, your answer must be, must getting smaller. Okay, so you check, betul tak your answer getting smaller. Okay, ataupun we can solve it by using terbalik. Contohnya kalau tambah, we can check the answer by using tolak. Okay, kalau tolak, we can check the answer by using tambah. Okay, basically class, okay, walaupun awak nampak dekat sini ada understand, you have plan, you need to do, and then you need to check. Basically, actually, you have done this. When you do problem solving, you have done this without you realizing that you are doing understand, planning, doing, and checking. Okay, awak dah buat sebenarnya. Okay, cuma awak tak tahu, oh saya dah buat ni rupanya. Oh, I've done this. Okay, kita dah buat dah semua ni sebenarnya. Okay, so no need to worry. Oh, jangan cakap, oh susah. No need to worry. You already done this. Okay, so problem solving strategies. These are the strategies that you can use, but you must choose wisely based on the problem given. Okay, the first one is draw picture. You can solve the problem solving by using by drawing picture. But class, what if the questions involving a larger number, for example 5,000, 6,000, 7,000 or 10,000? Boleh tak awak lukis sampai 10,000 ayam, 10,000 ikan, 10,000 pencil? Okay, so kalau nak pilih problem solving strategies yang sesuai, you must awak kena fikir betul-betul lah based on your problem. Betul tak? Sesuai tak kalau nak draw picture kalau soalan dia sampai 10,000? Okay, tak sesuai kan? Itu akan mengambil dari time consuming. Itu akan mengambil masa nanti. The next one is guess and check. This guess and check problem solving strategies is suitable kalau awak ada soalan yang memerlukan awak buat pilihan jawapan A, B, C, D. Usually this guess and check problem solving strategies is to minimize your time in solving the strategies. Okay, dia teka-teka lah awak dapat kata, and then after you teka-teka then you check. Okay, so this is kalau awak ada yang A, B, C, D tu, yang ini sesuai. Okay, next one is make list. Okay, make a list. Okay, you list down all the information given. Okay, and you find what is needed. Okay, yang ini usually make a list ni kita gunakan untuk operasi soalan yang lebih kompleks sikit, yang ada banyak nombor-nombor or information given. The next one is make table. Okay, yang ini sesuai. For example, I eat 3 donuts on Monday. Tuesday I eat 4 donuts. Wednesday I eat 7 donuts. Thursday I eat 8 donuts. You list down in the table, and then at the end of the day, how many donuts did I eat? You just count dekat table tu. Okay. So the next one is you add it out. Okay, act it out. Awak berlakon lah. Kalau contohnya kalau soalan tu cakap you have 50 ringgit, you use 5 ringgit to buy book. How many ringgit left? Okay, so pergi awak berlakon lah. You take out your 50 ringgit note, and for example awak berlakon dengan adik awak. You give it to your brother. Okay, 50 ringgit. How many ringgit that he should give back to you? Okay, awak punya baki or balance. Okay, you buy a book from him lah macam tu. Okay, act it out. Okay, the next problem solving strategies is work backwards. Yang ini macam yang cikgu cakap tadi, for example if you have addition, you can work backwards by using subtraction. If you have multiplication, you can work backwards by using multiplication. Macam ni lah, tambah dengan darab, darab dengan bahagi, tambah dengan tolak. Okay, so this is the most common problem solving strategies that we use. We write number sentence. Okay, by writing number sentence, you can actually see clearly what number that you use, what operation that you use, and how you're going to solve the questions. Okay, and the last one is using object. Okay, for example, I have the question is I have 3 marbles. My mother give me another 3 marbles. How many marbles did I have now? Okay, so awak ada marble dekat rumah. You use a marble. You take 3, and your mother give you another 3. You use real object. Okay, to represent the problem solving strategies. Tapi kalau nombor tu ada besar, so you cannot use object lah. Okay, so in choosing correct problems or suitable problem solving strategies, you need awak kena ambil kira juga nombor yang digunakan dalam soalan tu. Okay, adakah berbalut sesuai untuk awak gunakan drawing kalau nombor tu besar? Okay, adakah sesuai untuk awak gunakan objek kalau nombor tu terlalu besar? Okay, boleh So don't worry. Okay, ini adalah strategi-strategi yang cikgu bagi untuk awak pilih saja. Lepas ni, saya rasa kebanyakan awak akan pilih writing number sentence and you are going to solve it in normal form because that is the easiest way. Okay, now, let us start. This is the question. Okay, I have this question here. In a box, there are 3,426 red pens and 3,718 blue pens. What is the total number of pens in the box? Okay, now we are already done the first step, which is understand. Kita dah baca. Okay, now we read again. Read again to take out the information given in the question and also to identify the keyword given in the question. Okay, we read again. Read once again. In the box, there are 3,426 red pens, underline, or you can circle, okay, and 3,718 blue pens. What is the total number of pens in the box? Okay, so I double line the word total sebab cikgu nak menandakan bahawa total is the keyword. Okay, ini adalah this is our first step. Usually tengok, kita tak perlu pun nak senaraikan. We just tanda dekat soalan tu saja. Okay, so cikgu senaraikan untuk awak nampak. So, kita dah buat understand. Okay, information given 3,426 red pens and also 3,718 blue pens. Okay, the needed information. What are the information needed from you? Okay, what are the information that you need to count? Okay, is the number of pen in the box. Ini yang dia minta. Okay, so what is the keyword? The keyword is total. Yang ini kita dah belajar minggu lepas. Okay, you can refer to the note that I give in the group. Okay, so total, if total, the operation will be addition. So that is the first step. Okay, the second step is we are going to plan. What are we going to do? In planning, we are going to choose what is the correct strategy to solve this problem. Okay, so in this problem, I'm going to use draw diagram and number sentence. I'm not going to draw 3,426 red pens and also 3,718 blue pens. That is a waste of time. Okay, itu akan membuang masa saya. What I'm going to do is I'm going to represent these red pens with a blue red box and this blue pens with a blue box. Okay, like this. This is the red pens. Okay, this is the red pens in the box. Okay, this is blue pens. Okay, red pen 3,426, blue pens 3,718. Okay, ini adalah red pen kecil sikit lah sebab nilainya kecil kan. So blue pen is larger lah sebab nilainya lebih besar. So these pens okay are in a box. Yang warna merah ni adalah box dia. Okay, box cikgu bulat lah bujur. Okay, so this is the box. Okay, so the question asks to total up the number of pens in the box. So I need to count together this red pen and also blue pen. So seperti yang kita tahu tadi, we are going to use operation addition. So now we do. After we plan, now we do. Okay, we do it in normal form. Kalau boleh kira guna macam mana? Kalau boleh kira guna lukisan saja, you can use diagram lukisan untuk selesaikan. But since this is besar kan, so it's easier for us to solve it in normal form. Okay, so sama macam biasa. Okay, sama macam biasa. Remember, in normal form, you need to arrange the number based on the value. Okay, ones with ones, tens with tens, hundreds with hundreds, thousands with thousands. Jadi tambahlah macam biasa. 6 plus 8 is 14, bawa naik ke atas, and you will get the answer 7,144. Now it is the time for you to check. How to check? Okay, awak tahu tambah. If tambah, your answer, the number is getting bigger. So you check, is it correct? Your number is getting larger? 3,000, this is 3,000, and then now you have 7,000. Yes, okay, so your number is getting larger. So check again, make sure you count by one carefully. Kalau tadi contohnya awak terlalu tergesa-gesa nak cari jawapan kan, now you check again, you count again carefully, satu persatu, betul ataupun tidak. Okay, kadang-kadang awak ni selalu buat apa kesalahan, careless mistake. Okay, you know how to add, you know how to subtract, but sometimes you miscount. Ada satu bahagian ataupun dua bahagian yang awak miscount. Okay, sebab terlalu nak cepat. Okay, so you check again. Okay, when you check, if your answer adalah sama dengan jawapan awak yang tadi tu, kalau awak check sama jawapan, check lagi sama jawapan, so that is your answer. 7,144 pence in the box. Okay, so that is the first the first example. Now, let us move to the next example. Okay, this is the question. Davis rears 6,000 catfish. He sells 846 of the catfish. How many catfish are left? Maksudnya dia membelah. Okay. So dia belah 6,000 catfish. We read again and then we identify the information given. What is the information needed and what is the keyword. So dia belah 6,000 catfish. He sells jual 846 of the catfish. Okay, maksudnya catfish tu semakin berkurangan, betul tak? So now you can imagine if berkurangan, what operation that you need to do, to use. Okay, if berkurangan, then you need to use subtraction. So what is are left? Okay, this is the keywords. Left. Kalau left maksudnya operasinya adalah tolak. Okay, senang. Kita dah buat pun step yang pertama. Understand, kita dah baca, kita dah keluarkan kita dah keluarkan informasi-informasi yang diperlukan. Okay, kita dah tahu kata kuncinya. We have done this part. Kita dah buat dah understand ni. We know the information given, 6,000 catfish and 846 catfish sold. We know what is needed from us. Left. And we know the keyword is left. Left is maksudnya tolak. So now we plan what we need to do. So sekali lagi I pilih draw diagram and number sentence. Saya tak akan lukis 6,000 catfish. No, I'm going to represent the catfish, okay, with a bar, dengan segi empat tu tadi tu. Okay, with this rectangle pula. Dengan segi empat tadi, sama tadi ya. Okay. So this is the catfish. 6,000 catfish. Okay, warna biru ni adalah 6,000 catfish. From this 6,000, okay, Davis father sells 846. Okay, yang merah ni dia dah jual. Okay, so means take away kan, dah keluarkan, betul tak? So yang left adalah this biru yang dekat sini. So this is the number of catfish left. Okay, yang perlu kita cari sekarang adalah yang warna biru. Okay, so this how we do it. We are going to do it in normal form. Kalau awak nak lukis pun boleh, tapi buang masa lah awak nak lukis 6,000 catfish and then you potong-potong 846. So the easiest way is for you to do it in normal form. 6,000 minus 846 is equal to 5,154. Jangan tanya saya, where did I get the 10, 10, 10, then I potong-potong, I get 599 here. This one we already learned in our previous lesson. Okay, pinjam, borrow. Okay, imbas balik how, macam mana cikgu buat ni. Okay, mustahil awak dah lupa. Mesti awak masih ingat bah, awak ulang kaji balik. Okay, so then you check. How to check? Okay, you know that when you use subtraction, your answer is getting smaller. So you check from 6,000. Okay, answer getting smaller? Yes. It is smaller than 6,000. Then you count again carefully, one by one. Okay. And again. Kalau tak pasti lagi, you count again, recheck again. If your answer is still the same, then that is. So the number of catfish left is 5,154. Okay, now class.
Teacher,
Yeah.
Your voice isn't really, I can't really hear your voice because of my Wi-Fi.
Never mind. I'll give you the I'll send the video later. Okay, I'll upload the video in YouTube and then I'll give you the link later. Okay. So class, you have learned how to solve problem with addition, problem solving with addition, and also problem solving with subtraction. What if you have two operation in one problem solving? Okay, kita dah belajar kan? Kita dah belajar tolak berturut-turut, subtract successively, and also you have learned mix operation, tambah dan tolak dalam satu dalam satu matematik. So now for the next example, okay, you are going to use either subtract successively or mix operation. Okay, what you need to do is you just need to read the question carefully and identify the information given and also the keyword. Okay, so the next question. Okay, Shu An has 5,241 coins of 20 cents. She has saved 4,340 coins in a bank and used 190 of them to buy a storybook. How many 20-cent coins left? Okay, dah baca. You already do the understand part. Okay, awak dah buat langkah understand tu. So now read again. Read again, and when you read again, you need to keluarkan informasi yang diperlukan. Okay, so Shu An has 5,241 coins of 20 cents. She saved 4,340 coins in a bank and used 190 of them to buy storybook. This one dia guna. This one dia guna. Okay, this one she saved. Okay, ini asalnya yang ada. So how many coins are left? This is. Okay, so tahu boleh tahu left tu adalah operasi tolak. Terbalik pula tolak cikgu. Okay, operasi tolak. So, okay, the information given, Shu An has 5,241 coins and 4,340 she keep in the bank. 190 coins she used to buy storybook. Ini dia belanja, ini dia belanja. Okay, bila kita belanjakan duit, maksudnya duit tu semakin berkurang. Bila duit tu semakin berkurang, itu maksudnya kita gunakan operasi tolak. So this is tolak and also this is tolak. Okay, what is the okay, the question asks you to count how many number of coins left. So left is the keywords. And the keywords merujuk kepada operasi tolak, subtract. Okay, now we are going to plan the strategy. Saya akan lukis, but I'm not going to draw 20 cent coins. Okay, I'm going to represent the coins by using the diagram macam yang sebelum ni saya buat. Okay, so this is the 5,241 coins. Banyak ni. Okay, then from this 5,241 coins, Shu An save this much. Okay, banyak ini dia simpan dalam bank. She keep 4,340 dalam bank ini. So warna biru ni yang tinggalkan. Tapi, but then, okay, she used this much to buy storybook. 190 ringgit to buy storybook. That is. So this part is 10 coins that are left. How to count this part? Okay, jadi sekarang mula-mula kita ada banyak ini, kemudian kita buang yang ini, then we use this one, left with only this part. Okay, jadi sekarang kita selesai. 5,241 minus 4,340, you get the answer. And then you minus again with 190. I've taught you on how to do normal form if you have two operation, subtract successfully or mix operation in one number sentence. You can do it like this. Okay, susun panjang ke bawah. You subtract the first two and then you bawa ke tepi, bawa ke atas. Similar way you do it is also acceptable. Okay, boleh diterima. Sama ada awak bawa naik ke atas, awak susun memanjang ke bawah, dua-dua boleh diterima. As long as you count carefully. Okay, kira dengan berhati-hati. So now you check. How to check? Okay, obviously kalau tolak, the answer is getting smaller. So you check lah. So from 5,000, the first subtraction is the number getting smaller. Yes. 101. Okay, now you check the second subtraction is the answer getting smaller. Yes, 711. Okay, jadi lebih kecil lah. So then you check balik lah satu persatu. Awak tolak satu persatu lagi. Betul tak betul awak tolak? Check lagi. Betul tak betul? Kalau awak check 2 kali, your answer is still the same, then your answer is correct, insyaAllah. Okay, so now the answer is the number of coin left is 711. We are going to have a Q&A session after this, but before that, please tanda dalam buku. This is your homework, your activity book, page 35 and also 36 and 37. Okay, tanda dulu 35, 36 and also 37. Okay, so thank you class. I'm going to end this presentation. We are going to have our Q&A session. I'm going to give the slide to you in the group nanti macam hari tu cikgu bagi dalam PDF kan. Okay, cikgu akan bagi lagi nanti dalam group saya yang tadi for you to refer. Okay, do you have any question? Ada soalan tak? Okay, kelas. Kalau cikgu ada soalan macam ni my mother give me 50 ringgit. My father give me 20 ringgit. And then I give 10 ringgit to my brother. Senang tak soalan tu? I repeat. My mother give me 50 ringgit. My father give me another 20 ringgit. Then I give 10 ringgit of my money to my brother. How many operation involved dalam soalan tu? How many ringgit did I have left? Okay.
10 ringgit, 10 ringgit, 10 ringgit.
How do you count? Macam mana awak kira? What are operation? Berapa banyak operasi yang ada dalam tu? Apa operasinya? Apa operasinya? Mula-mula mak cikgu bagi 10 ringgit. Bapak cikgu bagi lagi 20 ringgit. Tapi kemudian cikgu bagi dengan adik cikgu 10 ringgit. So how many ringgit left? My first question is, what are the operation involved? Apa operasi yang terlibat? Who can answer? Bagi? Darab? Apa operasi? Apa?
Tolak.
Tolak aja. Tolak aja Kak Daniel. Are you sure tolak?
Tambah, tolak.
Yes, very good. Mula-mula awak tambah and then awak tolak. Why tambah? Because my mother give me 50 ringgit and then my father give me another 20 ringgit. When people give you something, maksudnya awak ada benda yang bertambah dekat awak. Betul tak? Bila orang bagi dengan kita punya barang makin banyak, betul tak? Bila barang tu makin banyak, itu adalah operasi tambah. Kan? And then you take 10 ringgit from your money and you give to your brother. When you give to your brother, maksudnya duit awak makin kurang. Bila makin kurang, itu barulah tolak. Sometimes you need to visualize. Awak kena bayangkan apa yang terjadi. Yang macam tadi tu cikgu act it out. Cikgu berfikir lakonkan dalam kepala otak cikgu. Cikgu berlakon sendirilah. Cikgu bayangkan dalam kepala otak cikgu. Cikgu bayangkanlah bapak cikgu beri 20 ringgit. Mak cikgu beri 50 ringgit. Pasal cikgu beri dengan adik cikgu 10 ringgit. Then I count how many are left. Okay, boleh? Boleh? Okay, do you have any questions? Seda?
No.
Nel dan ngantuk.
No.
No questions? Okay,
I'm
no
blacked
questions.
out.
Okay, class you no need
No
to
light.
apa? Apa Arisa? Okay.
Huh? Shit.
Macam
No.
tadi, based on the slide that I show you, okay, cikgu senaraikan what are the information given, what are the keywords, what are the information needed, semua yang cikgu senaraikan. Tapi actually, awak tak perlu pun nak senaraikan, okay? Awak boleh terus buat dalam bentuk lazim. Yang understand, yang plan and also strategy tu, you just visualize in your head. Okay? Tapi make sure awak gariskan dekat soalan tu, problem solving question tu, awak gariskanlah kata kuncinya apa, awak gariskanlah apa information given, okay, nombor-nombor tu awak gariskan so that you don't miss out the number, okay, supaya awak tidak terlepas nombor-nombor tersebut, okay. Questions? Ada question lagi tak?